Hi guys, welcome aboard. This is Sailing Yacht Waveney. It's a Westerly Longbow 31. Just wanted to show you a few little jobs that we've done. We're actually sitting here just now in sunny Portimao. This is Wednesday the 30th of November, I believe. Beautiful weather, and just thought I'd show you a little bit of the problems with being in the sunny climes. Luckily we've done a few jobs on the boat to make life easier for ourselves, and I just wanted to show you a little bit around our cockpit. One of the things I'm most happy with is what we've done with the seating. These slats, you could never clean underneath them. It was very, very difficult. So I made them so that you could take them off. You just lift them up, and they're on slide hinges, so you can slide them out. So they're protected. When I'm off the boat, I take these down and put them inside, so they're protected. Now these was all vanished at the same time, and you can see the way that the weather kills that one. That one's fixed, it doesn't come off. I wish I had made it so it comes off now, but as you can see, the sun really kills it. Now one of the other jobs that I done was this little box here. Now this part here in the boat is just wasted space. Just a little opening for inside so you can get to the winch fittings. So when I changed the engine to Kubota, that was the original control panel for the Volvo MD2B, and without shifting my gear I couldn't put the control panel in the same place. So I left that there and made a new place in here. I now made a little enclosure so that my controls could go inside, kept nice and tidy when I'm not using them, and I can lock that away. I've done the same on this side. As this is only wasted space, I decided to make this one a little bit bigger, and I keep my flares in this box here. And they're out of the way, but they're easy to get to, and little fingers can't get to it too easily. Nice and safe. When I got the boat, it had an old-fashioned compass that used to just clip onto here. So I fitted the Plastimo Compass. It has a light in it, which is very, very handy. And on this side we fitted the clipper from NASA. The depth is original from when we first got the boat, and the log. And as you can see, the weather has really destroyed them. The wind was completely destroyed, so I got the complete new system. I did do a video on that. You can see that on my channel. But I am going to do more videos of the boat and what we've done in the boat and in the inside. Don't forget, you can help our channel by liking, supporting, a little thumbs up, and there's always our Patreon page if you'd like to help us keep going with the videos and replace some of our other gauges we need to do. And there's always a super thanks if you want to just buy us a beer. It's just in the corner. Thank you. Talk to you again. Bye.